I'm Alan, and today we're at my off-grid homestead where I'm building a tiny house. And we're going to learn how to make money online together and have fun while doing it. You're going to learn everything you need to accomplish in order to start an online business from the ground up. We'll look at many different business models. Some are easier than others. Some require little to no investment to get started, while others require a much larger investment. You can even watch me build this new YouTube channel. I have several successful YouTube channels, and I've learned the fastest way to make money online from YouTube. I'll document everything with the goal of, number one, how fast can we start making money from a brand new, small YouTube channel? Number two, how long will it take us to meet the eligibility requirements to be monetized by YouTube? And three, I'll record every step so you can duplicate it. I'll even teach you what tools to use for your business, what software to help automate your business, internet requirements too, what courses are best for the type of business you want to build. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2006, and this digital nomad lifestyle has afforded me the ability to travel and enjoy life. At the moment, I'm in Costa Rica, building my off-grid homestead. But this lifestyle, it didn't come without a huge learning curve and a lot of wasted money buying crap that didn't work and getting conned by the guru, well, who supposedly made a fortune, proved it with screenshots that I later learned were fake. Well, everyone says hindsight is 20/20, and here's what I've learned. If I could go back to 2006, I would tell myself, find a reputable mentor and learn as much as you can from him. However, that can cost a lot of money if you're just getting started. So, I'm gonna be a mentor for you. It is possible to actually make money online, and we're gonna do it together. However, a red flag should be going up right now. You should be asking yourself, what is he getting out of this deal to mentor me for free? And that's a valid question. I'm very transparent, so let me address that question. Since I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online, I'm going to be sharing with you tools, products, and software I use in my business every day. These are things every person needs to build a successful business, and they don't cost a lot of money. However, when you purchase these tools, I'll get a small referral fee. The product doesn't cost you any extra, but the company who owns the product will send me what I call a thank you commission for referring their product to you. So it's important for you to understand, for every person I help succeed, I become more successful. That's what's in it for me. So it's in my best interest to share the strategies, the tips, the things that's working for me. It's best for me to teach you everything I know. So what you waiting for? Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way, you'll be notified every time a new video goes live. Start watching videos on my channel. And let's start making money online together.